school time
or summertime? Probably a pretty easy question.
Summertime!
Yay!
Which it now is.
I know, we both got out of school Friday for you, right?
Yeah.
Yep, Friday. So now it's summer finally. I'm so excited because it's actually warm.
And guess what, guys? It has been 1 year since we started this channel, and we now have 48 subscribers, which is pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah. It's really exciting. And our last video that we made 1 year ago has over 4,000 views. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. That would be awesome.
Yeah, so that video, the first video we made, was a pineapple piñata. So if you haven't already, go check that out. And so, also on Friday, it was National Donut Day. So today,
Friday, June 1st.
Yeah, we're going to be making a donut piñata. Really awesome.
Yay, super exciting. Okay, so now it's summer finally. I'm so excited.
1 year since we started this channel.
Alright, let's get going!
Okay, so to make the donut we used balloon animal balloons, and then some of them popped, and that's why it's kind of lumpy, but it's okay because not everything's perfect. So, you're gonna paper mache the entire piñata, and to learn a little bit more about paper mache, you can go watch our pineapple video, because we're not going to go into great detail this time around. Okay, and now we're going to put candy into it, and I love candy, it's great. So we chose like Kit Kats, Reese's, Peppermint Patties, and Jolly Ranchers. And now we're going to take a stopper, and you're going to put it into the donut, and then we're going to cover it up with more paper mache. And the stopper didn't really work, as you will see later in the video, but yeah, now you're going to prime it with white paint, and then you're going to paint one side tan and the other side pink, and then you're going to kind of swirl them together to make it kind of look like frosting. And then we're going to add sprinkles! Yay!
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And go follow our Instagram at dylan.and.mira.
Yeah, this piñata was so fun to make, super easy too. And I mean, who doesn't like breaking stuff and getting candy in return? So, it's pretty great. Alright, I hope you guys have such a happy summer, and good job for surviving the school year. Alright, see you guys later. Stay sassy!